Open an architecture image in Photoshop. Drag a vintage cutout plant front view PNG image into the project. Adjust the size of the architecture image to fit the desired perspective. Second, insert a sky image as the background and adjust its transparency. If desired, add some people to the scene. With these steps, a vintage-style architecture rendering is complete. Isn't it fast and easy? Let's use the same architecture but change the foreground scene to create very different environments. By swapping out the front elements, we can dramatically alter the overall feel and context of the architecture. This time, let's bring the building to the front, above the grass scene. Create a layer mask and then use a tree brush to draw a grass mask over the building. This technique will seamlessly blend the building with the grass, creating a natural transition. Then, replace the sky from a watercolor style to a misty, foggy sky. This will give the scene a different atmosphere and mood, enhancing the overall visual impact of the rendering. Next, add cutout tall trees to the scene to create depth in the rendering. This will enhance the sense of scale and make the composition more dynamic. Similar to the building layer, create a layer mask for the group of trees and draw a grass mask over the trunks to integrate the trees into the scene. I will showcase other scenes for architecture renderings and illustrations, all using the same methods. Simply replace the front scene plant images and adjust the building size accordingly. Hope you like them. You can find the 33 PNG cutout vintage plants bundle from the link in the video description.